Yes.
Yes, my lord. I beg to mention unlisted matter, my lord.
This is regarding
Criminal petition number 20 of 2025, my lord.
20 of 2025.
Let me
For?
read. Yes, my lord.
For when you want this matter to be listed?
Yes, my lord.
Today?
No, my lord.
When?
Monday, my lord.
Monday?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Criminal has been listed there. So make a mention in the senior bench.
Yes, my lord.
Make a mention in the senior bench.
Okay.
Criminal measures are being taken up by this in court number 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, one more, my lord. Another, my lord. Item number 12. It's AV, my lord.
Item 12.
Yes, my lord. Today I filed.
This is with 11.
Yes, today I filed in, my lord. Interlocutory application, my lord.
In 12.
Yes, my lord. So earlier was interim order was vacated.
Interim order was
Yes, my lord.
vacated.
Yes, my lord. So today I filed in the restoration application.
Okay. You file it.
Already today I filed, my lord. So matter I will listed on tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
That will be listed on Monday then.
Okay.
Monday?
Monday.
Okay.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, I would like to mention item number 21.
Yes. What?
My lord, actually, affidavit in opposition is not yet ready. So, my lord, two weeks time may be given for the reply.
Let the matter be called for. We'll pass order. Let us see the record. Who is for? You are for the respondent. Who is for the petitioner?
Yes, no, sir, I'm for the petitioner.
Oh, you are.
M Lago.
Okay.
My lord, I am for the respondent number 1 to 5.
Okay. You have not yet filed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Earlier also you sought for some time.
Yes.
Okay. Now you are seeking more. How much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. Okay. You are Mr.
M Lago.
Planning Counsel for the petitioner is present. Miss.
Why Karga?
Planning Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent 1 to 5 is a private.
No, it's SBI.
Your Lordship,
Yes, sir.
I'm for the private respondent number 6.
Okay. Have you filed?
No, Your Lordship, I haven't filed.
You are also no. Okay. You are also seeking some time.
Yes, sir.
Appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 to 5. Praise for Father. How much time you said?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
My lord, it may be listed after puja vacation.
Similar prayer has been made by the Land Council appearing on behalf of the private respondent number 6. You are for 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, pray for Kama. List this matter
After puja vacation.
that would be after 4 weeks. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. Okay.
Possible.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3. On behalf of the petitioner T. Tatak.
My lord, here I am appearing for respondent number 3, my lord.
Okay. Some of the respondents have not yet filed affidavit, it appears.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have filed an affidavit, my lord. Wherein, my lord, in fact, I'm not a necessary party here, my lord.
You are not a necessary party.
Yes, my lord. The NIT was floated by the BRO, my lord, the Border Road Organization, my lord.
What do you want? You are for?
I'm on behalf of the petitioner.
Okay.
I have only been instructed to adjourn the matter for some time. For 3 weeks.
You are Mr.
Mr. K. Mibang. On behalf of
Your
T.
name
Tatak.
is not there.
No.
Appearing on behalf of
T. Tatak.
T. Tatak.
Yes, sir.
Land Council for the petitioner. Praise for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks. When do you want?
After 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks. So, Mr. Opada, you are not a national party.
I'm not a necessary party,
Okay.
my lord. So I want that, my lord, I humbly pray that my name may be strict off, my lord.
Next day. Today he is seeking adjournment.
Therefore, my lord, I have a serious objection on that, my lord.
Okay.
That may be recorded, my lord.
Okay. The office note reflect that some of the respondent has not yet filed affidavit also. In view of the above, the case stands adjourned. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
I have an objection, my lord, that may be recorded.
Hmm?
I have an objection for adjourning a matter, my lord.
You have objection.
Yes, madam, that may be recorded, my lord.
Why you are objecting?
Why? Because, my lord, I'm not a necessary party here, my lord. I've just been dragged in.
Okay. Can we just then see, yeah, what is this matter about? Do you know? You have,
No, your lordship. I'm not aware of that.
My lord, it's a maintenance of DDDM making road, my lord. And maintenance road, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, this NAD was plotted by the BRO, my lord.
okay, then what will say, because he is not a counsel for the petition. Mr. Opada, not a counsel for the petition. Some is that he is, you are respondent number?
3.
Okay, respondent number 3 is not a necessary party, and therefore he has an objection. Then for the adjournment also, just a minute, not a necessary party, and therefore his name may be struck off from the post title to the case. He also raised an objection to the adjournment sought for by the land council for the petition. However, since the land council for the petitioner, where is the petitioner? Your counsel for the petitioner, or that,
Like he's out of station.
okay, since Mr. So-and-so raised adjournment on the ground that the conducting counsel, Mr. T. Tata, is out of the station. The matter stands adjourned. Is this matter after 3 weeks?
My lord, obliged.
Obliged.
May I plead your lordship?
Yeah.
My lord, I'd like to mention item number 7, my lord.
Item,
Item 7, my lord. Here, my lord, I have received instruction, my lord. I will be filing on my affidavit within a week, my lord. I've taken consent, my lord.
have you informed?
Yes, my
Petitioner,
lord.
petitioner, you're there, yes. Mr. Ibam, I'm not a counsel. Yes, Wang. State respondent some that she is yet to receive instruction in this regard to file affidavit and prays for
2 weeks, my lord.
further 2 weeks time. The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, all right.
Alright, okay.
May your lordship,
Yeah.
lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 to 14.
Okay,
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Tapo. He's currently out of station, so Your Honor, this matter may be taken up on 8th of April. I've taken the consent from the opposite party.
Okay. on behalf of land counsel for the petitioner. Some is that Mr. Titapo, land conducting counsel, is out of the station. The matter may be taken up on 8th. She also submits that she has obtained a consent from the land council for the respondent. In view of the above and as prayed for, list this matter on 8th. Okay, April. Okay.
Much of this.
May your lordship, I would like to mention item number 2. I'm appearing on behalf of standing counsel Tabatago. Standing counsel is out of station. The consent from the other party is taken.
You are for a petitioner,
Respondent.
Respondent department.
respondent department,
Health.
health department has
Education
notified.
department. Education department.
Health and education.
Who is for the education department?
Tita Gumba.
Tagum, you are mentioning on behalf of.
Titagum.
I'm for the petitioner.
You are for the petitioner.
No.
No, item,
Item number 2, health.
Two, you-
Standing counsel, health.
you are not for the petitioner.
I'm sorry, Malata. I mean, other item.
Okay.
Oh, but I'm sorry.
Okay, and you,
I'm for petitioner, lordship.
you are for the petitioner.
Lordship.
So he is seeking some time.
No objection.
No objection. Okay, Mr.
A Podo.
Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, Land Standing Council, Land Management. Who appears on behalf of the health department here in this case? Because it's only health department probably who has not filed affidavit. Okay. Why you are seeking some time?
Your lordship, the standing counsel is out of station due to emergency.
Okay, Mr. Swenson, that the conducting counsel, Mr. Tabatogum, standing counsel for the land department is out of station. And therefore pray for adjournment, to which the land counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Petitioner, Mr.
K. Lawrence Lordship.
Mr. K. Lawrence, land counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. This matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, there is an interim order. It may be continued.
Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return of date. Okay.
Of license.
Your Lordship, I would like to also mention item number 20.
20. We are also Titagum.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Here I have got a petitioner, madam.
okay, no objection.
No, objection. Provided that my interim.
Interim, okay. So it will be similar, Mr. So appearing on behalf of Mr. Tabatung, prays for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks, to which Mr. Matuka, the counsel for the petitioner, has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next year. Okay.
May I pray the anti-father order because that we don't know.
I have no idea what is this matter about.
Madam, transfer of the petitioner.
No, next, till next day.
Madam.
Obliged.
Livelihood.
Yes.
My lordship, I beg to mention the item number 19. I'm appearing on behalf of L. Parle, leading counsel, with the concern of other parties, and the matter may be listed on second week of April.
Okay. You are Mr.
P. Role.
Mr. P.
Role.
You are for the petition.
Petitioner Lordship.
No objection.
No objection.
Okay.
Lordship, pleading is completed. The matter may be fixed on 7th April, Lordship.
He is praying for 7th. Is it okay?
Okay.
Land counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Leasing Permit. Land counsel for the respondent number. You are for respondent number 4. Raise for adjournment of the matter, to which the land counsel, Mr. Bob, Mr.
K. Lawrence Lordship.
Land counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. Para is prayed for by both the land counsel for the parties. This is matter on 7th.
In admission
7th
column.
April.
7 in admission column, Lordship.
7th.
Pleading is complete, Lordship.
Okay. Then both the land counsel for the parties submits that the pleading is completed. The matter will be listed on for admission on 7th. Prayer allowed. List it accordingly on 7th for admission.
Of license.
May we please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 on behalf of Mr. G. Tara, standing counsel of RWB. Your Lordship, main counsel is due to urgent matter, he is out of station, so this matter will be adjourned for today.
Whatever, have you informed the land counsel for the petition?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Miss, you are Miss?
P. Mema.
Submits that the conducting counsel, Mr. G. Tarak. Sorry, Mr. G. Tarak, land standing counsel, RWD, is out of station. Therefore, she prays for adjournment of the matter. He also submits that she has obtained consent from the land counsel for the petition. In view of the above, the case stand again. 4.
2 weeks.
Okay. Then our prayer, for 2, pray for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. Okay. Let's pray for Kama. This matter after 2 weeks.
Quickly organize.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I will mention item number 23. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent Ms. Tate Tatak. He is out.
23?
Yes, sir. 23.
Why?
But leading counsel is out of station.
Who is leading counsel?
Tate Tatak, respondent.
Respondent.
Yes, sir.
Who is for the petitioner?
Yes, Your
Have you-
Lordship, I am for the petitioner.
No objection.
No objection.
Okay. You are Mr.
Miss Sita Jo.
Mr. C.
Sita Jo.
Submits that the conducting counsel for the respondent, Mr. Tate Tatak, is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment. To which Mr.
K. Mibam.
K. Bangladesh counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Release this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
So I think now he's ready.
Supposed to take instructions. man.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
I have been informed that further 2 weeks' time may be granted. to
Further
take-
2 weeks time.
Yes, Your Lordship, because they have sent for, they have sought further instruction from the law department, Your Lordship. And there is.
Law
still a bit-
department also.
Yes, Your
He was
Lordship.
seeking for some time only.
Yes, Your
They are
Lordship.
taking more time, my lord.
See,
And by the time next week's come, actually surprise.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is not my prayer, they are making it.
okay. Mr. Dicky Pang, Land Council for Petitioner Representative. Mr. I. Riram, Land Government Advocate for the State Respondent. Some is that he is yet to receive instruction
Yes, Your Lordship.
and prays for how much time?
2 weeks' time.
Further 2 weeks time. The prayer is enough. Reach this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
In same order.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of this thing. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of conducting counsel, Mr. S.K. Diori. I have the instructions to withdraw the matter.
Hmm?
I have the instructions to withdraw the matter, Your Lordship.
Withdraw them. Okay. You are Mr.
T. Kamsar.
T. Thompson, Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Deori, Land Council for the petition. Some is that he has an instruction to withdraw this matter. So the prayer for withdrawal of, and according to prayer for withdrawal of the this writ petition. So the prayer is allowed. This writ petition stands disposed of on being withdrawn. Okay. I can, 5 is there?
Yes, sir.
5. 5.
5.
5 is there? 5. Okay. File is yet to come. Wait for some time.
Okay.
In the meantime, we'll take up 6. Item 6.
I am for respondent number 6 and 7 in this case, my lord. Yeah, my lord, due to some misunderstanding, we have issued the impugned transfer order, my lord.
Okay.
So I have spoken to my secretary.
Okay.
So we need 1 week time to post the petitioner to his appropriate place of posting.
Okay.
Well, without any after after transferring with due after following the due process, without any valid reason, if the person is called back, that is also not valid. As per the service jurisprudence, I have been posted. I have joined at the place of posting on 6th November 2024, and it has been now neither I am
Mr. Bintar Picture, Land Council for the respondent number
6 and 7.
some is that the department is mistakenly,
Yes, my lord.
okay, issued the impugned transfer order.
Yes.
And now the petitioner shall be placed in the appropriate
Yes, place of posting.
place of posting for which he requires some more time.
my lord, in this regard, I have some
Next week, you'll
Yes,
get
yes.
the order only.
Yes,
Next week, we are fixing it on next week.
yes, ma'am.
You'll get the order in the meantime.
Yes.
I have been already posted from bowling to Partipallo.
You have an objection to that.
And how can I be, without any reason, I be posted back to some other person? And I am not allowed to join in the particular where I was
So that is,
posted.
that is
I
why
was
the
not,
department will work and probably you'll be placed somewhere in the place where probably
Yes,
your convenient place.
yes.
Because they, for which.
that was also the earlier transfer which was made on 6th November, where I was, joined at particular. That was also in the convenience after due process only I have transferred, and it was kept silence. And when I joined, my joining after submitting my joining report also, I was not given the charge, and it holded for 4 or 5 months. And thereafter, they are again posting. This is it doesn't appear as a political interference. Administrative authority, director, secretary RD has rightful authority has posted me to the particular from bowling to Parsiparlo. And thereafter, again after 5 months, they have not after joining to the place of posting. And if again if they say after 1 week they will post in another place, that is not justified, it seems, as from my opinion.
My lord, may see, we have submitted some documents, my lord.
What is this about?
1st March 2014. This is regarding the postings of video, my lord.
Yes.
Well, this, there are,
You have given charge to the CO.
yes, my lord, the petitioner, yes, my lord, private respondent.
Mhm.
Now, this Parsiparlo block, my lord, is earmarked for circle officers, my lord.
Yes.
So now the circle officer by default gets the post of BDO, my lord.
Mhm.
Now, the circle officers are appointed by the AR department. And we by mistakenly, my lord, has appointed petitioner, my lord,
Mhm.
in as a BDO of Parsiparlo.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is meant for circle officers. So this is a, my lord, a
There is
mistake.
a wrong.
Yes, sir.
The department
Yes, ma'am.
by issuing the impugn order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we will
That
correct
is,
it.
that is why this court also made an observation
Yes, ma'am.
on 18.
Yes.
My lord, in
The
this regard,
department does not-
my lord,
department does not know the government notification also.
my lord,
Anyway, so you are saying 1
My-
week time.
Yes, ma'am. 1 week.
my lord, in this regard, the present the person who is serving as a CO BDO, he is also APO, same similar officer of the same grade, who is serving now for more than 11 years at Parsippolo in the same place, in place where I am being posted. So he is allowed to serve in the same place for.
Lordship, that could be a wrong submission. Kurungkume, there are 12 posts of block development officials.
No, no.
And out
On the
of
record,
this
I am
12,
speaking.
These 12 posts are divided into two categories. 6 are for a
12
sanction post,
posts are divided into
two categories.
two?
Two categories, sanction post and non-sanction post.
Okay.
And this, I have been posted there by the Department of Personnel, and he has been posted by Department of RD. RD does not have a jurisdictions to transfer and post an officer in the Parsippolo, which is a non-sanction categories also.
My lord,
This is the difficulties in this case.
that is wrong.
Anyway, but
My
see,
lord,
the department is working and then going to place him in the appropriate place.
Yes.
I think we should give some time to the department. The department will realize.
my lord, that is wrong submission. That's as per the guidelines, as per the rules.
Maybe.
As
Now
per the
they will
guidelines.
consider- Now they will consider, take note of these rules.
Secretary Rural Development is the competent authority to transfer anybody, but the present serving staff is not transferred by the undersecretary only. And I have been transferred by the Secretary Rural Development. I have been transferred by the competent authority, rightful
Now
authority.
probably before issuing another.
So in my transfer, there is no
transfer order,
illegalities
the department
here.
will examine properly regarding the rules also. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes,
So,
yes. Mr. M. Nibo, Land Council for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Aaron. You are for?
Respondent 9.
Land Council for the respondent number 9 are also present. So, yes, pray for come at least this matter again next week. Yes. No. Next week. When? After a week.
After a week.
After a week.
Yes.
No.
After a week.
Next week, if they.
After a week.
After a week.
Oblast.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Learned Counsel DSJ, Mr. M. Kato. Your Lordship, we still have to receive instruction from the department side, Your Lordship. So 3 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship.
Not yet filed, yes. You are for the petition.
Yes,
You are Mr.
GC Taba.
This-
The leading
Mr.
counsel is
Mr.
out of
Counsel
state.
for the petitioner. Is present. Stop. Mr.
K. Terry,
Direct counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, DSTI. Praise for how much time?
3 weeks, my Lord.
Praise for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. The prayer with the law. Please this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Thank you.
Yes.
My lord, what the fact of the case is, this is the floating of changes. For the recruitment of the outsourcing of Arunachal Film televisions at Jyotir. My lord, here is that floating of tenders under the guidance of the Sattigara Institute, Film Institute of the Calcutta, my lord. This is the Calcutta is the Your Honor, my lord, is a autonomous body. That again under the
Who is autonomous body?
that the Sattigara Film, Sattigara Film Institute, television of Calcutta, my lord.
No, which respondent number?
My lord, here is not the makeup respondents of this.
Is not the respondent.
Not the respondents. This is responding is number 1 is Secretary RD. 2 is Two is the Director of Rural Developments, and 3 is Project Director Rural Developments, and 4 is the Deputy Commissioner of Papumpare District. My lord, here is that this scheme is under the broadcasting, information and broadcasting of the government of India. My lord, that again that the work has been sanctioned, okay, awarded to the Sattigara Film Institute of the television of the Calcutta. Again that under the Calcutta, the Arunachal Film Institute of the Jyotir for the recruitment of Your Honor, recruitment of outsourcing, that outsourcing agency, my lord, here. Here is accordingly as the state governments is made rural departments as the nodal official, as per the government notification, as per government notification. Thereafter, the deputy commissioners of the is the chairman of the district, Papumpare district. Your Honor, here is that accordingly that
No, the first tender was floated.
yeah, tender was
Let us see where.
my tender was floated very smoothly conducted, my lord. All the tender is a bidder. I'm a bidders, my lord. I'm a bidders, successful bidders.
By which, where have you annexed?
I'm a successful bidder, my lord. My lord, please see the. My lord, please see the annexures. 2 is the page 15, my lord. Page 15.
Page 15.
Yes, my lord.
Annexure 2. What is this? NIT.
Yeah, this is my NIT and time and condition of the NIT. The page 2 is the NITs. They are published by the 2 local papers of Arunachal Pradesh. This is as per the guideline of the guide.
So accordingly, you participated.
Yeah, accordingly, I am participated.
So
Now, page,
Just a minute. What is this page 21? Is
page
it-
17, by page 17, please come to page 17, my lord. See the page 17.
What is page 17?
70, page 70. Page 70 is the tender inviting tenders as a closed one is security deposit and 5% of the total values. The accordingly, my lord,
This tender was for what?
yeah, tender for the, my lord, the recruitment of group A, group C, non-ministries post, my lord.
Recruitment.
The recruitment. Through the recruitment should be through the agency,
Okay.
the outsourcing agency, but
Okay.
not by any government department. This is procedural. Any other department should like this, as per the, my lord, this is guide. This is the, my lord, security deposit of the close with the bracket was the 19,000, 19 lakhs 72,800 money. Accordingly, I am a successful bidder. I deposited and bank granting performance, my lord. My lord, please say. My lord, please say the annexure 7 is my bank grant performance. My lord.
Page.
Annexures 7, page 55, my lord. Page 55, my lord. The annexure 7 is my bank grant performance deposited before the project directors. My lord. This is my bank guarantee, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, again come to the, my lord, see that the page 5 is my intent letters. Page, page 93, page 53, annexure 5.
What is that?
This is, my lord, this is a letter of intent for providing outsourcing manpower to the Film and Television Institute of Arunachal Pradesh. This is my offer letter, my lord, from the side. Is a successful bidders.
Your firm is BM Store.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
So this recruitment is also outsourced.
Yes, ma'am, for all sources, as per the guidelines.
Okay, then.
My lord, here against, yeah, as per the political interference at the minute of meeting, we don't give opportunity, my lord. Even also after they don't give a chance for the give opportunity me. For the, my lord, please,
After this, after you have deposited, then what happened?
after deposited, very surprised, my lord, please see that this election 10,
Page.
page 58, my lord.
What is this page 56? Order?
56, madam. This is minute of meetings. The,
No, 56.
yes.
Is
My
also
lord,
some order?
yes, it is. Yes. My lord, please see the paragraph of the, there's a last paragraph
Which one? Page?
59.
Page 59?
Yeah, page 59, the last paragraph. Here with
No,
the.
just a minute. 58 is the page 58. Annexure 10 is the impugn order.
Yes, yes.
No. What is this? This is many meeting.
Minutes of the meeting, sir.
Minor the meeting held on. Meeting conducted by.
Conducted by the Livelihood Commissioner, chairman.
This was to decide what?
This meeting was conducted as peacefully, but even last paragraph is the honorable MLA of that remove and directed to the PD for the direct recruitment for the cancellation of that plot of the successful bidders and plotting of tenders. The directly verbally directed manner. Here is the the last paragraph is therefore after the deliberative discussion.
Which one? Page 59?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, which para?
Para last paragraph, my lord, this is simply directions, the verbal direction by this honorable MLA. This is only see that therefore after the discussion by all the members, presence the honorable MLA 14, Duimo, 3, Nabom Vivek, verbally directed PD RD come DPDO to initiate the direct recruitment process directly, madam.
Directly by whom it is to be
Directly of the outsourcing government, no ministry post, madam. All the this post are made.
Initiate the recruitment process directly means directly by through what?
No department, madam.
Through department, not by the not by the present petitioner.
Yeah, not by the petition.
Okay.
Recruitment by the by this all the mentioned process. That all the major process in NIT. But thereafter that refused to direct recruitment because of
Who refused?
PD for the direct recruitment of the nodal official.
Now, after this minute. After decision of the minor.
Yeah, minor.
Where do we find? This was on 13 December.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the cancellation? Where is the impugn order?
Please see the Eviction 8. Eviction 8, page 66 is the impugn order and challenging of this order, madam.
So after issuance of this impugn order, only this minute of it was conducted. Minute this was decided. This was also on 12. It appears.
On same day,
The order was also issued on the same day. So after issuance of this impugn order, there was a decision again.
Yes,
to recruit directly.
Directly.
Okay, just a minute. Let us see the impugn order.
Impugn order is 56 and election in.
Okay, this was before execution of the agreement only, isn't it?
Here, only ground is that the content of the landowner, one single person, minus whereas the land was acquisition in the year of 2016.
Okay, now.
There is only ground is only for the complaint by the one Nabum Kunya, DPC, and Nabum Rade, landowners are other regarding the cancellation of the recruitment of staff through the private outsourcing agency, and based on that complaints and agreements between the PD and the successful LOA holder could not be executed, my lord. My lord, where is that? So I find that the missed case on this regarding the out of 27 landowner was there was no any issue except one person. One person knows the content due to some political motivation. Even it has a mention of that he is a GPC, Gram chairperson only.
What happened to your representation submitted on 17/12, whether the department has disposed of?
No, no anything. Thereafter, I know complaint representation reported that the three commissioners on 17/12/2024, annexure my lord 11 page 69. This is my representation, but no action has been taken.
No action, no, not yet. Then thereafter you have filed this petition. So now what is the status?
Now, my lord, please
No,
see
no, we need to.
respondent
just a minute.
respondent about what, my lord,
Respondent has filed, whether respondent has filed affidavit.
yes. My lord, the respondent number 4 is filing. This is only detail is given, my lord. Here detail is given by the respondent number 4, my lord.
What about the other respondent?
Other respondent also my lord already filed.
3 also filed.
Yeah, all other.
What about 1 and 2?
Not required.
1 and 2 not required. Then the matter is ready for hearing.
Yes, my lord, today, sir.
Today.
Yes.
Today itself.
Because the time to have adjourned, today is adjourned is 4 times, man.
Okay.
Adjourned by the respondent number, by government.
I'm sorry, my lord, last week because of my ill health, my lord, so I had to seek adjournment. My lord, here is the case. Can a court can issue either mandamus or any certiorari without implementing the necessary party? All these things happen because of the complaint lodged by the landowners, my lord.
Yes.
Landowners are not before your lordship, my lord.
And then only because of the complaint of the landowner, the cancellation also, and also subsequent decision was taken that
Yes.
it has to be directly recruited.
Correct. Then
Now, don't you think that he is not
necessary party? Then also, my lord, user agency is the Satyajit Ray Film Institute. That is also not party, my lord. Because
The agency who
yes, yes, exactly, mother. That is Satyajit Ray, my lord.
Yes, yes.
That is the user agency, my lord. That is also not before your lordship, my lord. No, just a minute. Now they have said, my lord, because of 1-2%, and because of that,
Yes, yes.
my lord, the NIT was cancelled. They are very much aware, my lord. These are the necessary party.
Whether he represents all or not, that also is question.
Correct,
Then,
Mala, correct.
Need to be implemented.
Yes, my lord. A necessary party. Any other pass by your lordship will, my lord, definitely affect them, my lord. Now, my lord, before, my lord, this film institute was established, there was understanding with the district administration, with the landowners, my lord.
Landowner.
Yes, my lord.
Must have some understanding that the landowner should also be given some
Benefit, my
quota
lord.
for
Especially, my lord, Group C and Group B,
C
my
and
lord.
D.
That was the understanding, my lord.
Then
my lord,
they are necessary party.
yes, my lord. Now, my lord, inadvertently, my lord, that advertise was issued, my lord, forgetting the promise made to the landowner, my lord. Then subsequently, my lord, they lodge a complaint, showing that this is the agreement, this was the understanding between the district administration and the landowner, my lord. Because of that only, my lord, it was cancelled, my lord.
No, my lord,
No.
actually,
No. If you see the minus of the meeting, my lord, what my friend is trying to say is a political motivated, my lord. My lord, without my lord saying anything against the local MLAs, my lord, I think this is not fair to submit that is a political interpret. If you lord see the minus of the meeting, my lord, it clearly says, my lord. It is because of the land order, my lord, they lodge a complaint.
Who has issued this one?
If your lordship see, if you
NIT, who issued?
NIT, first NIT issued by the my lord is what RD department.
RD.
RD, yes, my lord.
The respondent number 2.
Respondent number 3, my lord.
3.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, the agency was changed. That was brought to my lord Duda, my lord. District Armament Development Agency, my lord. But both are agency, my lord. Even this, my lord, RD also is agency. Then Duda is also agency, my lord. If your lordship see the my lord, impugn order, which my friend was referring, my lord, to Annexure 8, my lord. This also clearly
Page
speaks, my
56.
lord. Annexure 8, my lord, page 56. If your lordship see the second last paragraph, whereas consequent upon receipt of a complaint letter lodged by Sri Taba Kunya, JPC and Nabum Brade, my lord. Now, my lord, in the impugn order itself clearly says, my lord, they are the land owners. They have lodged a complaint against this process, NIT, my lord. Then if your lordship see, my lord, the complaint letter is lordship next, my lord, page 57. These are the two late donors, my lord, who lodge a complaint. The lordship see the deaths are same, my lord. 12 November and 12 December. After 1 month, this impugn order was passed, my lord. Then, my lord, subsequent, my lord, the minus of the meeting. That is, my lord, 13 December 2024. If your lordship sees, my lord, who are present on that meeting, my lord, Srimati Bengya Yaka, PD, Kam DPDO UPIA, Srimati Ramak Joke, DPDRO, then Hina Kamdir Tok ZPM, Tabak Nabum Brother land donor, then Nabum Eta land donor. So all malot these people malot who have donated the land free of cost, but with the understanding with the district administration, at least malot group C and group B will be given to them malot. Malot when I give a free land malot, I have some expectation malot. So that understanding was there. So because of that malot, the agency was changed, my lord. I believe, my lord, the recruitment process must have been complete because it was a working interview, my lord.
They claim that they are the stakeholder, the complainant.
Yes, my lord. They are the land donors, my lord. Regarding what is the assurance provision for job security. If your lordship see, my lord, this last line also, he highlighted the following points for SRFT letters.
Page?
Page, my lord, same, my lord, 58, my lord, last, my lord. Last para. He highlighted the following points of the SRTFI letter. That is, my lord, Satyajit Ray Film Institute, my lord. Regarding written assurance of provision for job security for the landowners. It clearly says, my lord. SRTF has stated that there is no any position, not in a position to provide such assurance regarding the recruitment through government agency. SRTF has said the full authority to DC, Papum Pare for recruitment through any outside or third party agencies or the government body as selected or authorized by the DC. Now, mala here, mala outside agencies, mala it is up to the deputy commissioner can use any agencies for recruitment, mala. Regarding direct recruitment, so and so, regarding written assurance or regulation of post so and so, the landowner reiterate their assistance to recruitment through the third party agency and also questions of law and other situation in FTI or not if their demands are not met. Therefore, after threadbare discussion by all the members present, Honorable so and so verbally directed PD to initiate the recruitment process directly. So instead of Malot, third party. And here is the petitioner is third party, Mala. He is not a direct party, but third party. He is going to recruit, my lord, this group C and group B, my lord. And here, my lord, is direct one-to-one recruitment process, my lord. The agency will recruit, my lord, the employee. And here, my lord, first, my lord, will appoint him, my lord, agency, then agency will appoint, my lord, employee, my lord. So, my lord, this is the reason why, my lord, we have to change the recruitment agency. Then also we had to cancel that, my
Now,
lord.
in new affidavit of the rural development, who has entered
My-
agreement with, who has entered agreement with the landowners
My-
initially? Deputy Commissioner or the department, RW department, RD department, sorry.
My lord, please see that this case is annexures. This case, my lord, annexure.
Yeah, but this case also.
Yes, my sure.
This case will-
Annexure 14, my lord. Annexure 14 is the landowner. Page number 14, annexure 3, my lord. This case.
Page number?
Page number 14.
Is between.
My lord, this is the gift deed, gifted by the donors in the year of 2016. But my lord, out of that total, land donor are the 29, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord. But here is only that, my lord, out of 29, my lord, only one person, this is appear in the serial number 6, Tama Punya. The another complaint, Nagam Kate is not the land donor, my lord. Yeah. This is totally manipulating and misleading the authority, my lord. I don't simply complaint of the single persons without any regulations of that land owners. How this may intend, my lord?
But subsequently, the other authorities were also present at the time of my meeting. And then minor, it was reduced into minor.
But that minor of markings, that is so clearly said that land should, what is called the floating of data should be cancelled. But no any regulation was adopted as a minute of meeting. Only is that verbal direction. My order of MLA. I don't know on that 12th December a minute of meeting, there is no cancellation, the resolution was moved, adopted, my lord. My lord, here is the deed of agreement and gift it was before the IPS, my lord. Director of IPS, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. But not with the deputy commissioner, my lord.
Is there any other condition embedded in the gift deed? Is there any condition regarding the Joe to the landowner in the gift deed, in the deed?
I know that here is that there is no any condition was given only for the free of cost land. My lord, please see the serial number 9 and the gift deed and page 18, my lord. Which case?
Any kind of benefit in future.
Yeah. Any kind of benefit in future, Film and Television Institute, Film City Institute, Government of India, the landowner and other family member may be given preference for the guideline and specific rule and regulations. Yes, my lord. As per the standards, I ready to agree this one, my lord. As per guideline, I should be given I'm an agency, my lord. That is why I'm a successful bidder. I ready to be recruitment, my lord. As per the condition given, I ready to be recruitment. Benefited to be given to the landowners, the 29 benefited. The how the single member has a benefited before the my lord.
No, what you have done, with regards to these conditions that benefit
Yes, my
to
lord,
the landowners and their family members?
Yeah, only for the.
What provision you have provided for giving preference to the landowner in the recruitment?
Yes, like the recruitment, I think without papers given to the landowners, those whose eligibilities, for whose eligibility for education qualifications as per the guideline, I given to penalty should I given to them as the landowners, but the pending member of landowners. This clearly given in the guideline also by as per the tender papers, as a meaning of the papers, everything is my lord, on this guideline, man. As per guideline, I will be told.
No, can you just show
Yes,
where you have provided this provision for landowner?
Then, my lord, here, as per NAT, my lord, please sit, again, come to, my lord, his, writ petition, my lord. Page 17, my lord. Writ petition, my lord, page 17.
Page 17.
Yes, my lord. Writ petition.
Yes.
Yes. The government of Arunachal Pradesh, office of the project director, are the government districts. The notice inviting a tender of the invitation of the bidders, madam. The tender are invited from the registered eligible agency of the NGO having a valid trading license with the GST register for provide the outsourcing manpower of the various category for the film and the television institute of Arunachal Pradesh. Under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India on the monthly billing base for the period of 2 years, having its campus and office in the FTI, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Details of manpower required are given in Annexure A, my lord. Annexure A of the simple bid documents, my lord. Here again, my lord, this Annexure A is the detail is given the recruitment post, name of the post, and my lord, the list of my please see the annexures.
Have you annexed Annexure A?
Annexure A, my lord, as per Annexure A. Yeah, my lord, please see this page 34. Is all the post is given there, my lord. Page 34, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. The eligibility certificate criteria for the engagement of outsourcing manpower for the FTI, Film Television Institute, Arunachal Pradesh. Here, my lord, name of the position.
And this seems Annexure B.
Annexure B. My lord, here is this all of the performa. The Annexure A is the performa.
Where is the Annexure A?
Appendix, my lord. Yeah, my lord, please see the page 20. Page 20, my lord. General instruction of the tenders, my lord.
What is it?
Yeah, my lord, this is a selected agency would be provided the manpower. Selected agency would be provided the manpower for the FTI, my lord, Arunachal Pradesh for monthly consolidated pay as per the details given below. Eligibility criteria for the selection of the post includes here at annexure B. Again, use annexure B. This is annexure A. madam.
This is annexure?
A.
Where do we find?
Yeah, madam, here I have one here, but this is, I may be making mistake. Annexure 1. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, it's one.
One.
Appendix, annexure one.
It should be read as annexure A, madam.
This should be A.
Yeah, yeah. The B is that another just before I. Yeah, B is the annexure. Page, sorry, madam.
Okay.
Page 34. This is the name of annexure A is the name of the post. All the name of the revised post. Executive officials, procurements. Purpose of consolidated price is 65,000. And executive officer IT 65,000. Executive officer admins 65,000.
No, this is there.
This is there.
My query is, where is the provision provided in the notice inviting tender? As per the deed, where it was provided that the provision should be given. To the landowner. Preference should be given to the landowner. Where have you mentioned that?
Why actually here is there.
Where is the provision provided for giving preference to the landowner?
I know this NIT is prepared by the department.
Okay.
As per this guideline.
My lord, may see page number 44. Please.
25.
It's given in line number, para number 13. Deployed personnel should be citizen of
Page
Pumpare.
44 of
Page 44, this one is disposed one actually. It was in DB. I'll just come.
There was another litigation also.
Yes.
What?
It is written that deployed person should be a citizen of Papumpare district and physically fit enough to take the strain of the job. It is given there.
Where? No, that is requirement. Eligibility criteria for recruitment of the said post.
Minor phase.
Because
minor phase
see, there is a provision. One thing, there is a provision provided in the gift fee that members or the preference would be given to the landowner. And then that is regarding the benefit consumption. So, which means that while we are in the recruitment also, while recruiting the staffs, so the preference has to be given to the landowner.
Yes.
Where is that provision?
Yes, well, please, the provision is here, page 25. Page 25 of the petition.
Yes.
The serial numbers 14 madam. This is
This is what? This 25 is what?
Tender paper madam. NIT paper.
Okay.
This is manual ballot in tender papers. Madam, here the 14 is that different personnel while on duty should be wearing proper uniforms. No, ballot 13. Ballot, this is the serial number 13. Different personnel should be citizen of the Papumpare district and physically fit enough to the stress of the job, madam. Yes, madam.
So this is requirement.
Yes, madam.
My query, if there is any provision provided as per the agreement to the landowner to give them preference, any reserve quota, anything, is there any provision you have provided in the tender or not in the, yes, advertisement? So that is why probably the landowner has complained. There was and in the minute also it's repeatedly reflected that there was an agreement to provide. So that probably has not provided, and that is why there is a complaint. Where in your advertisement for inviting the candidates for those posts, in which post you have kept reserve or some concession or anything? To give some preference to the landowner. Where have you kept the provision to give preference to the landowner as per the agreement, as per the gift?
That is why here is that serial number 13 is very clear.
No, 13 is for common. 13 is for common. It's common. Citizen should be citizen of the district.
But when referring Papumpare, then the candidates would be from Papumpare itself only. So other candidates are not entertained here. Therefore, the Film Institute is in Papumpare only. So it is a silently speaking that only the candidates from those places will be entertained. And this NIT is.
But the complaint has been lodged by the landowner.
Right.
And an agreement was executed between the landowner and the department. Not by the citizen of Papumpare. Is it only based on the complaint lodged by the landowner or anything else due to which the present contract?
My lord,
Cancelled.
before answering to your lordship questions, my lord, let me stress some more, my lord, pertaining to legal points. Now, my lord, the landed single judge and the division bench already held, man. Now, who is the aggrieved party? Who can come before your lordship under 226, my lord? Now, if your lordship see, my lord, who is before your lordship? Page number 14, if your lordship see the trading license.
Page 14
Well, let me go to technical point now, my lord.
Page 14 of the
Repetition, my lord. This is the trading license, wherein the petitioner are harping on that, my lord, he is eligible, all these things, my lord. If your lordship see, my lord, who is the proprietor, my lord? Hina Kamdirto. My lord, he is not before your lordship, my lord. If your lordship see the petitioner, my lord, page number 2, my lord. MB store represented by Sri Kohli Kania, attorney holder, my lord. Now, my lord, as per the division bench order, the law has been laid down, saying that representative, my lord, attorney holder cannot be aggrieved party. He cannot approach the Honorable Court under 226, my lord. Now, law has been laid down. Number 1. Then number 2, see, my lord.
DB in the case
Baba.
connected with the present.
Yes, my lord. That is in the case of, my lord, Locum Brothers case, my lord, NIT case. There also, my lord, proprietor approached the court. Then we challenged the locus standi. The single bench, my lord, agreed of my view, my lord. They're saying that proprietor, my lord, the attorney holder cannot be aggrieved person, my lord. Then, my lord, they prepare an appeal for the division bench. The division bench upheld the judgment of the single bench, my lord, saying that, my lord, aggrieved person could be the, my lord, proprietor of the farm. He has to approach under 220 attorney holder, my lord. Now, that law has been settled. Now, my lord, coming to, my lord, what are the expertise, my lord, this trading license, my lord? What is their business? If your lordship see the trade items, my lord. As your lordship see, my lord?
Yes.
Stationery and book stall.
Page 14.
page 14, my lord.
Yes.
If your lordship see the
Yes,
trade
yes,
items,
so,
my lord, stationery and book stall, construction agency and farm, government order supply, job placement in manpower or service providers, my lord. Now, my lord, this service provider. Now, what the NIT says, my lord, if your lordship see, my lord, NIT page 21, my lord, the important part is, my lord. Has your lordship got it, my lord?
yes.
This is 23rd October 2024. If your lordship come to next page, my lord, page 22. Number 1 says, my lord, eligible condition. Tender must have educated similar work provided outsourced personnel at the office, my lord. So let my brother, my lord, place any my lord, experience certificate that he has already educated outsourced, my lord, employees service, my lord. The basic on this itself, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, the tender farm is not eligible, my lord. It does not have, my lord, educated any similar work. Have you educated any similar work, my lord? Why you have not annexed? Why you have not even whispered in the petition that similar nature, my lord, already educated? I'm an experienced person, my lord.
There is the part of that the board of the NIT. That is the part of the specific themes, my
My
lord.
lord, that is the number 1 eligible criteria, my lord.
If the I am then okay.
No, what is the condition for cancellation?
The cancellation is number 1, my lord. My lord, the complaint lodged by the landowners. That is number 1. Then number 2, my lord, there is no any, my lord, assurance given in that NIT, my lord. If your lordship see, my lord, preference, my lord. Now, my lord, he will be, my lord, recruiting agency, my lord. And there is no assurance given to the landowner. If I recruit, I'll recruit you, my lord. That in my recruitment process, you will be given preference, my lord. There is no
that
assurance.
provision is not there. That provision has not been provided.
Not provided, not at all, my lord. Because of that only, my lord, now, my lord, new recruitment process has been started, my lord. That is, my lord, working interview. The person whom we are going to recruit, my lord, the person who is going to be employed as a group B and group C will be interviewed face to face, my lord, 1-to-1, my lord. And if they recruit, my lord, it will be recruited by the outsourced person. That means the third party will recruit, my lord. Suppose if we allow MB store, my lord, then he is going to recruit, my lord, employee, my lord. He will be not employee, my lord. He is going to recruit the employment, my lord. Employees, my lord.
That is why, my lord, that is sourcing of the outsourcing agency. Agency means what, my lord? Is that government cannot be directly recruitment?
There is a provision. There is a provision. If your lordship say, my lord.
Direct recruitment. So what is the selection for? Either of efficiency. That is why the print division of Calicut is a sourcing of the outsourcing agency, my lord. Outsourcing agency should be the
No.
recruitment of the
Kindly go through it. There are outsourced agencies. Then, my lord, government agencies. What do you mean by agencies? Other agencies, my lord. It's a government agency. That's why, my lord, first we have given to the, my lord, DRDA. DRDA is an agency, my lord. Now, do the itself is an agency. We have not said that, my lord, we have given to APCS or SSB. We have given to the agencies, my lord. That is, my lord, in consonance with the guidelines, my lord. I do agree, my lord, the third source is also one of the source of, my lord, employment. I don't deny that.
Now, what you are saying is the walk-in interview, whether there's another process for recruitment has already started.
Started, must have completed, my lord. That
Okay.
instruction I have to take, my lord. Because there is no stay order, my lord. This matter is since pending, my lord. If you lordship see, my lord, when it was listed for the first time, my lord, it was 19/12/2024, my lord. Now we are in 25/3, my lord. Now almost 3 months is left, my lord. Left.
In your affidavit.
In our affidavit, we have not said whether recruitment process is completed, but we have said it's already started by the DUDA, my lord, working interview, my lord.
Where have you stated in your affidavit that you?
My lord, that I can, right now I can. if you lordship see my lord, page, in the affidavit page 68, I'll come to the straight line, my lord. Your lordship got it, page 68, 68, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, it starts like this, my lord. This appointment was communicated to the SRFTI Calcutta by letter dated so and so. Following the appointment of Duda, my lord, this is a new agent we have appointed as the nodal department. An advertisement for working interview was for bearer post in FTI, Arunachal Institute, something like that. Yeah. FTI, film, something like that. Published in local dailies on 22/12/2024. But advertised number so and so, that is 21/12/2024. Now we are in Malat. Today is 18/3/2025.
Now, have you
Perhaps-
challenged this advertisement? Have you challenged that?
They have not challenged.
Yes.
Where?
I have another file of it also. Again, there also in this case also, I have filed that.
Where?
Well, please.
Man, agreed, Malad. They have filed, but there is no stay order, Malad.
Okay, no, just
They-
a minute.
they have filed.
No, this advertisement dated 21/12/2022. You have challenged this order.
Yes, sir.
Where, in which?
WPC number 9.
That is not listed
Nine
today.
with this?
Not listed today, my lord.
Not listed today.
It should have been.
This case also, I have filed this case also.
One IA was also filed.
And in that, whether you have filed affidavit?
I'm sorry, in IA, you can't challenge any of the impugn order.
No, they have challenged this in WPC.
Malad.
This is to be listed along with, I think,
This is not listed.
So let it list together then.
it has to be listed
Together.
together. And in that case, in the meantime, because what is the process, the status of the recruitment?
Malad, that
is
I can,
necessary.
yes, Malad.
In that case, this
Malad.
is to be listed together. And
Yes,
the
ma'am.
status of the present, status of the recruitment process, which you have started in 21/12/2024.
12/2024, yes,
Whether
ma'am.
that has been completed or not, that status is necessary.
My lord. That status is necessary, then another, my lord, necessary party has to, notice has to be issued, because, my lord, if any order is passed, my lord, they are going to be agreed, my lord. You can't say landowners, you can't forget the landowners. Doesn't matter, if it, even one is before your lordship to hear them, my lord.
For a time
How
being,
can you
let
say
us
that?
see, let us see, because in the meantime, you also examine, in the meantime, if you think it's required, later on, it will not, of course, goes against you, not adversely, is not going to affect you, or if it is going to adversely affect you, or it's any other part in this case, adversely going to affect the land donor, then probably you may have to implead. In the meantime, you also think we are fixing it on next week.
Next week, your lordship may kindly say also, but a locus standi of the petition, because division has already laid down the law, my lord. My lord, that cannot be, my lord, ignored, my lord, because law has been laid down by the division bench
That
pertaining to, my lord.
Since you have raised that.
Yes,
also
my lord.
looked into.
His observation is that this is already interior order passed by the single bench, which is the outcome of the writ petitions. So that this observation of the division bench.
Which case you
So-
are referring?
This case,
Acha.
yeah, we got the interior order, outcome of the writ petitions. But that is totally violation by the respondent.
Outcome of this.
My lord, any
No,
proceeding, my lord,
but
that
then
outcome
here,
will be there, my lord, I'm sorry.
Since already the advertisement was plotted, I mean, issued, and then the process, we need a letters status. And probably in that case, if this advertisement has already been challenged, probably you may have to file affidavit in that.
That also, my lord, yes.
So that will be checked. Okay, hard,
correct.
Mr. Kutobu, Learned Counsel.
And also, your lordship may kindly observe, my lord, the locus standi of the petition, my lord. In next day, my lord, let them come up, my lord, if they can answer to that.
So that will amount to a preliminary objection.
Yes, my lord, preliminary objection.
And if you think that you need.
First,
to
my
find
lord,
one small-
that hurdle has to cross first, my lord, whether they have
And
locus
if you
standi or
think
not.
that you need, this need to be decided first. If you think that you may require one small IA, you can. also-
Regarding maintainability, my lord.
Hmm.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Also hard. Mr.
Legal point to cover.
Direct, this one go to Jan. For the respondent number. 1, 2, and 3. Huh? 1, 2. You are for 1, 2.
I'm for 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you are for 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay.
I am for respondent number 4, Deputy Commissioner.
Okay. Then Mr. Picha, B Picha, representing respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. R.S. Nabu for respondent number 4. Sorry. Mr. Uto Builana Council for the petition is submitted. No. Mr. R.S. Nabu, Builana Council for the respondent number 4 submitted. After cancellation of the impugned. No, after cancellation. After passing the impugned cancellation order, the department who has started the advertisement?
Malad, the RT department, Malad.
RT
Project director.
respondent number
3.
Okay, sorry. Then it will be done council for the respondent as submitted. After issuance of the impugned cancellation order, the respondent number 3 has already initiated.
No, Malad, initially we initiated the tender process, Malad.
No, not tender, recruitment, advertisement.
Yes, Malad. First
That
we
is after
initiated.
cancellation only.
After cancellation, Duda, Malad. Duda. That is not a party here. Duda is not a party here.
Who has issued this advertisement?
First advertisement was.
No, advertisement for the
First NIT one.
recruitment.
Yes, first.
Not NIT. We are not concerned with NIT now.
Duda is
Now it's subsequent development. We are coming on the subsequent development.
Yes.
Now it's a recruitment, Mal. It's a
Yes.
Duda, Mal. Duda.
Duda is respondent number?
They have not made respondent. That's also problem, Mal.
WPC number and the bank, and we make the respondent.
They have made.
Okay. The WPC number?
WPC number 9, Your Lordship.
The Duda.
Duda is the respondent number 3, bank.
Respondent number 3. Duda full form?
District Urban Development Agency.
The District Urban Development Agency has already, being a nodal department, has already issued advertisement for walk-in interview for the various posts in FTI AP, which was published on local dailies on 22/12/2024. And by this time, the recruitment process must have been completed. So, Mr. Udo Builan Council for the petitioner submitted. They have challenged. Is there any stay in that?
No, my lord.
No stay.
No,
Okay, then problem if there is no stay.
and the outcome of the writ petition.
Okay, they have challenged the advertisement for walk-in interview in WPC number 09/2024 to 2025. The father submitted, although there is no stay, but no stay order against advertisement for walk-in interview. However, the Land Court has observed that the recruitment of the various posts in FTI AP shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition. In view of the above, and as it is connected from the as the WPC number 9 of 2005 is connected with the present case, the same may be taken together Start. And list it before. List is after a week. When? 8 April.
I would suggest somewhere in 21, 22, because the Lordship asks us to file an affidavit.
Yeah.
My Lord, affidavit, my Lord, we have to take the instruction, then draft, then again, my Lord, swearing in. It will take some time, my Lord. Okay, can it be on, my Lord, 21, 22, 23, any day my friend can choose, my Lord. Okay. 21, my Lord.
List is connected. The take it, huh? Okay, stop. Is prayed for by the council for party. This is matter 122. Stop. In the meantime, the respondent shall file affidavit in affidavit showing the status of the recruitment process. So, showing the status of the recruitment of
process.
various posts in FTI, AP, in FTI, FTI, AP. So, the Mr. Harish Abu, Plan Additional AG for the respondent number 4, also raised questions regarding the locus of the petitioner. That he may file. In this regard, he is at liberty to file IA if so advised. Okay.
My Lord.
Okay, list is matter accordingly.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, matter is regarding that Tuesday market at Chimpu. I have enclosed the photographs also of the market. The Deputy Commissioner has stopped us. We are the vegetable vendors, Lordship. At page 33 is the photo. This is the, Your Lordship must have also seen. This would be a better photograph actually. This is the recent one. Lordship must have also seen this place. This is, there is a market here every Tuesday and Saturday. The Deputy Commissioner.
Where it is?
It is at Chimpu, just opposite to petrol pump.
Okay.
So we are poor vegetable vendors, Lordship. Saying that there are some traffic problems, the Deputy Commissioner has simply prohibited us from operation of the Tuesday market. Now we are living hand to mouth. We are poor people. We depend on these markets. Now Deputy Commissioner has exercised his powers under 162 of the BNSS. The BNSS is a provision wherein if there is a public nuisance, then Deputy Commissioner can as the district executive magistrate can pass any orders. But for that, under section 152 onwards, there is a provision for summary procedure for issuance of notice and this and thereafter replies and this and that, then only this kind of orders can be passed. Deputy Commissioner has said in the order is at page 34, that the business, the maintaining of distance of 20 meters is mandatory, and there has been eviction earlier also. But Lordship, simply saying that we are causing traffic problems, whereas your lordship has seen the market itself. There may be vehicles coming and going, but they have an option of eviction. They have an option under 201 of the Motor Vehicles Act to control the traffic problems. Simply by this reason, without following the procedure, without coming to a conclusion that there has been indeed public nuisance from our part, the Deputy Commissioner has simply passed this order. Now, this is the effect of lordship impacting our livelihood, lordship. We depend on these markets. We don't have big shops to run. So that is why, lordship, we had prayed for interim order. This honorable court, while issuing notice on the last date, has stored instructions on with regard to the interim prayer today, lordship.
Several evictions
Yeah.
were carried out earlier.
They still can do eviction if we, lordship. Lordship has seen, we are not standing on the roads. These are the markets. Lordship must have also seen personally.
I faced problem with it, yes.
Yes, of course. But what I'm saying is, lordship, you have the option of.
Normally judges used to come on
Yes.
Saturday.
What I'm saying is, lordship.
Sunday, sorry. Sunday.
Yes. On Sundays, it's not there.
Saturday, sorry.
Saturdays,
Saturday.
yeah. They have the option of number one, eviction. Number two, under the BNSS, they have options, lordship. They have not done anything, lordship. Instead of, when actually the petitioners approach the Deputy Commissioner saying that you can evict if you want, whoever is squatting on the road. What the Deputy Commissioner answer was that the police will not do any work. So that is why I'm going to do. That cannot be a ground for passing this order, lordship. So that is why you have.
Yes, of course.
Yes, lordship, this is these people are not like us, unfortunately, lordship. These people are dependent on this. They're simply stopping the market on this ground when they have hundreds of options. This is, lordship, violation of the right to livelihood of the poor vendors, lordship.
There was no stay.
No, stay was to be considered today depending on the instructions from the Deputy Commissioner.
What is your instruction?
I'm yet to receive one. Or maybe give it some more time. Get instruction.
Now the market is not operating.
No. We are suffering because of this. It operates only on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Because these people, there are actually more than 300 vendors. These people cannot afford rent in big shops, so they sit in this kind of markets.
Market is also necessary, but there can be some solution in between.
Yes, lordship. Eviction is always a solution, lordship.
Conditions given in the permission order have been violated by the vendors.
Okay.
Particularly this.
Probably because of the violation only, there's some problem.
Yes.
And another trouble created to the traffic. Okay. Yes. And Dangan Council for the petition. So, Mr. Endoma, Daniel Senate Government of the Chiefs. You have actually sought for instruction.
Yes,
why it was not given? No, because you see, this order was passed on 13th. Okay. Anyway.
Lordship, interim may be passed till the next date of listing.
No,
Let them come up with affidavit. No, lordship, it will not amount to allowing the case. Let them come up with affidavit, lordship. They cannot say that we don't have options. They cannot say that we have followed the procedure.
Now, for how many When this order was passed, impugn order was passed?
Impugn order was passed, Lordship, on 5th of March.
5th March.
Yes,
Now it's been third week.
yes.
Okay. No, so we'll wait for few more days. So let him obtain instruction. And then probably, because they have also probably by now understood that market is also necessary.
Lordship,
And they probably have also understood by now that market is also necessary, and then some solution has to be there. So you just obtain instruction, will pass over next week.
Lordship, can it be on Monday? Sorry, Lordship, because I'm going out of station after that. On Monday.
No, other than Monday. This day?
No, Lordship, I'm sorry, I'm going out of station. It's my personal problem, of course. I'm going for
Let him-
quite some time.
Let him obtain instruction. Anyone can represent. I've heard you.
Yes. Lordship,
Otherwise, I've understood the matter.
yes,
But an instruction is necessary.
yes.
Because for the time being also, protecting the highway, probably some solution has, some solution. they might have
Lordship
to-
has seen the photograph. We are sitting in the
Not
shops.
Photograph, not
If,
photograph.
if some vehicles stand there, they have an,
Not on photograph. If-
under section 201 of the
vehicle and
Motor
vehicle-
Vehicles Act.
Unless it is properly manned,
Yes,
it will always create trouble. Because you see, in and around, left,
Lordship,
right, every side.
that is for the traffic police, Lordship. That is for the, if there is
No,
vehicle out,
no, even if the traffic, even if it is manned also, but
Yes.
the people you can't control.
yes,
The traffic police cannot direct the people not to go around here because people used to be there.
traffic police can always tow away the vehicles, which they do. In under 20,
Anyway, let
Yes.
us, while obtaining instruction, suggest that also as a senior government advocate, that some solution, because this is a good marketplace, people used to be take advantage of the market. And market is also necessary, so some solution has to come. If they undertake before the authority that this will not a traffic police, and this can be arranged that way. So that kind of so further time to obtain. As Sami said, he is yet to receive instruction and prays for some more time. The prayer is allowed. Least is matter on
25 then, Lordship. I won't be here, of course, but
35. Okay, this is matter 25. Yeah.
25 is Tuesday. Today is Thursday.
Let it, okay. 25 or 26, 27 or any day.
25, Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
Yes.
Since private respondents file appear for first time.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5.
5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
First time.
Lordship, this is our first appearance, and Lordship, I need time for filing affidavit.
Mr. Ketari.
So I may be given
Mr.
Techi Ita.
Echi
Ita.
Ita, who appears on behalf of the private respondent.
Yes.
Yes, private
Number
respondent
5.
5.
And some is that you have received a copy of the.
Yes.
Okay.
Copy.
Some is okay. Have you filed Wakalat Nama?
Yes, already filed.
Okay. Some is that. And prays for some time to file affidavit. You are going to file affidavit now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, affidavit in opposition. And
Lordship,
who else?
I may be given 2 weeks time for filing of affidavit.
2 weeks time to file
Yes, yes.
affidavit in opposition. Start. Mr. Okay, Mr. You are Mr. Okay, appear on behalf of Mr. Titago. Taba? Okay. Okay, Titago. Land Standing Council for the Education Department. And you are from?
Private respondent number 4.
Private respondent number 4.
Yes.
Okay, have you filed affidavit?
Not file, my lord.
Have you,
We have already filed them.
you have already filed? Okay, okay. Then as pray for come. This matter after 2 weeks. You file in the meantime, respondent number 5, you file affidavit.
Yes. My lord, may I pray, this matter may be listed in admission stage because this is the 2020 case. my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then in the meantime, you have to file.
Yes.
If it is to be listed before the, for admission, okay. Then their appearance, submitted, they have filed. You have also filed. Okay, affidavit no go. In view of the above, this is matter after 2 weeks for admission. In the meantime, the
Yes.
respondent number 5 shall file their affidavit. Okay.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, this is a contempt petition, Your Lordship. In last occasions, we have sought time for filing application for implement. Today we have filed, Lordship. Implement of parties because.
Have you filed the
Yes,
implement
yes,
petition?
we have filed.
Have you filed?
Yes, yes.
Is it,
In the meantime, Lordship, what happened today? We have
is it
filed.
there?
We
Where
have
is the
filed today.
IA? For, you have filed IA?
Today we have filed.
Oh, you, today only?
Yes.
Okay.
In the meantime, Your Lordship, I just want to apprise Your Lordship, if the implement already we have filed, but there need to be change of course titles also.
So that is what, let it come.
Yes, yes, tomorrow. I have filed today.
Today?
Probably tomorrow it will
Next
be
week?
list.
Monday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only
Oh, Miss-
implement, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miss K. Nada. Land counsel for the petitioner. This is item?
Your
This
Lordship.
is- Oh, it's okay, I think 15. Some is that,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 2.
okay.
Senior
He
case Singh,
has
Secretary LM.
filed
Then
an
Director.
implement petition. IA for implement of the in new incumbent or new.
It's transfers, the
Okay.
previous one, and new
Okay,
incumbent they have
incumbent.
posted.
They itself.
That's why we have filed for
The-
implement.
The IA is not this, IA is not equal, not on record. Okay. This is matter. Tomorrow, probably, tomorrow it may not be.
We have filed today, it may be reflect.
No, tomorrow is Friday. Okay, tomorrow, Friday, okay, tomorrow, okay, this is matter. Again, tomorrow, along with the IA.
The course title also need to be changed.
Yes.
Yes.
There will pass.
Yes.
Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
And then you are for respondent number?
Number 3. Respondent
Mr.
number 3.
Mr.
Mr. Mika Nyori.
Inkanyori. For respondent number 3, and Mr.
Respondent number 2, Sri A.K. Singh.
Then for respondent number. Respondent number 2, 2 will be first, and Mr. So and so for respondent number 3 are also present. Okay.
All right.
Lordship, this matter issue is very simple, but strive for the 2 years. This Lordship, this issue is very simple, Lordship. Just it is there is a clear provision for the student welfare in every
Clear provision for what?
this student election and student welfare, Lordship. Student union and association for the student union in every this university, Your Honor.
Okay.
This is clear. This Lendo, Lordship, phase number.
Just a minute. This is regarding
Formation of the student body, Lordship.
where? University, college?
Yes, NIT National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh. Lordship, job
Right.
day.
Formation of
Student, Lordship.
student union
Yes.
in the college.
This is mandatory as per the central law also,
Okay.
or and Supreme Court also, Lordship. Impugn order is Lordship 39. Impugn, page number 39.
39.
Yes, Your Honor.
What it says?
Your Honor, here in the page number 41 is a reflection that
39 is,
39 is impugn decision.
no, 39 probably is the National Institute so and so. Minus of the 43rd
Exactly, Your Honor.
meeting.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes.
And then, Your Honor.
What is that?
Now here they have decided that there will be no student election in
Where do we find
page
that?
number 41, Your Honor.
41.
Yes. Yes.
Decision
Yes. Student
in the decision column.
Yes.
Where? No.
that no matter observe that existence of the student union in NIT system is not mentioned in.
No. Okay, in the decision.
Yes, Your Honor.
Decision column.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Yes.
Decision column.
Please read.
So, BOG discussed on the matter and observed that existence of the student union in NIT system is not mentioned in NITSER Act and Statute. Moreover, NIT being an institute of national importance with national representation in student community, it is expected that they should concentrate more on their study and research. As such, POG opined that the present demand for student for constitution of the student union in NIT Arunachal Pradesh is not acceptable, Your Honor. And POG noted that threatening of the student NIT student by the outsider inside the institute campus is serious issue. BOG also advised to constitute security advisory committee with local senior police official as its member for advice regarding elaborate and effective security arrangement within the company immediately. Your Honor,
Campus immediately.
just
Who is the petitioner here then?
petitioner is student, Your Honor, student of the NIT.
Student.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who are
They are
they are individual student.
yes, Your Honor.
They are prospective candidates for the.
Your Honor, in fact, because of this non-existence of the student, they are their right has been curtailed, Your Honor. In fact, they can participate in student activities. And Your Honor, as per statutes of the NIT, Your Honor, phase number 71 is there, 73 is there, Your Honor.
No, just a minute. And who are the respondents?
Respondent is, Your Honor, registrar of the NIT, Your Honor.
Okay, whether they have appeared.
Your Honor, in fact, they have, it's been 2 years that they are not filing this.
They are not appearing or anyone represented them earlier?
Earlier, it was represented by senior counsel, Sakya sir, Rintu sir, Your Honor.
He's not there today.
Thereafter, Your Honor, it is one Gagum Lolen. Gagum Lolen.
Gagum.
Yes.
He is not present today. They have not yet filed affidavit also.
Your Honor, that same condition. They are not filing their reply and they are not appearing, Your Honor. And it is clear reflection that as per Lento Commission, there is a student election, Your Honor. This has been passed by the Supreme Court.
No, we do not know whether they have received or not. You have not yet filed affidavit. Serve the copy through Dusty.
Your Honor, it has already, this new council has already received, Your Honor.
Where do we find that?
Your Honor,
Whether they have received or not, so you have to file in affidavit form. After causing dusty service, you have to file affidavit to that effect, showing that you have caused service upon the respondent, they have received it.
Yes, exactly, Your Honor.
So then only the court can quit that the notice complete. So unless notice is complete,
the FIR,
it
Your
will be
Honor.
difficult.
The FIR, Your Honor.
No, it's rescinded. Today only, the office note says, affidavit regarding proof of justice service not filed till date. You have to file. After causing justice service, you have to file affidavit to that effect, isn't it? Do you know that?
Your Honor, actually, condition was that earlier it was represented by Sakya sir.
No, but why have you caused justice service?
Then after that, Your Honor, in fact, they have received and it is not reflected, in fact, Your Honor, of that.
No, on 7.3 also reflected same thing.
Exactly, Your Honor. Then, Your Honor, next that may be given, Your Honor.
Mr. G?
G. Kato.
Katolan counsel for the petitioners. Now, in view of the office note dated 19/3/2025, Mr. G. Kadolani, counsel for the petitioner, prays for a week time to file affidavit, to show the proof of urging justice service upon the respondent. The prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Honor.
Okay.
Bless you.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this case, the pleadings are complete.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for disposal of this case, Your Lordship.
Okay.
With thereby setting aside the impugned order, Your Lordship, and directing the Deputy Commissioner follow the
What is this matter about? What
Your
is,
Lordship.
To this petition, Your Lordship.
where is the impugned order? Just.
Page number 50, Your Lordship.
Page
50.
50.
Yes, Your Lordship. Annexure 16.
This is for. What is the clause of? No.
Under section 134 of CRPC, Your Lordship, eviction order cannot be made, Your Lordship.
This was issued without giving notice, or
No.
what?
Yes, sir. That is
No
the
notice.
No
submission of
notice
the.
was issued.
Yes, Your Lordship. The petitioners were not known to the district magistrate at that time.
Petitioner was not known to.
The district magistrate at that point of time.
Okay, the petitioner is.
Earlier, 133 order was
Who
issued,
is
Your
the
Lordship.
petitioner? Okay. Okay, yes, then I have not seen, but then let us try to dispose of, as you say. Okay, Mr.
K. Taja.
Line counsel for the petitioner. I'll take that back to the case. Okay, by filing this writ petition under Article 226, 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner challenged challenge the order. Challenge the impugn order dated. Where is impugn order?
50, Your Lordship.
50.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Twenty-two. 5/2024. Passed by the district magistrate, East Young District, Pasigat. Whereby the petitioner whereby in exercise of the power under section 134 CRPC a notice was served upon the petitioner for removal of the illegal structure erected by the petitioner within 5 days, and also directed to show cause any land allotment order issued to the petitioner by the authority, competent authority. Start. The order further says that failure to submit any valid proof and failure to remove the illegal structure within the stipulated time will lead to eviction. Without any further notice. Stop. The petitioner contended that the said notice, so the said order, the impugn order was passed without giving any notice. What is your contention?
Your Worship, actually, we are in possession of the plot of land at Pasigat. We are in possession of the plot of land at Pasigat. And this land we have been possessing for many years. To that effect, we have applied for LPC also in the year 2024. And before that, the LPC application is page number 19, Your Worship. That was in 24/7/2023.
The case of the okay, the Land Council for the petition contended that the said land is under the possession of the petitioner since when? Since
many years, but in the year 2023 we applied for LPC.
Since many years, and the petitioner has applied for issuance of LPC in the year 2023, 24/7/2023. To that effect, Your Worship, we have also been given NOC from the concerned department. And he was also given NOC by the concerned department.
The Department of UD and Department of Forest. That is in page number 22. That is NOC from
You were given NOC.
Yes. So while applying for NOC, LPC, we have to obtain NOC from the various departments, Your Lordship. As per the procedure.
By the various department.
Yes. So this is the NOC from the Urban Development and Housing, page number 22. The page number 22, that is the NOC from the Urban Development and Housing.
From various department, including including which department?
Department of Urban Development and
Which are
Housing.
by the NOC issued by the Department of Urban Development. Who else?
And Environment, Forest and Climate
Environment
Change.
and Forest, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and who else?
As of now, only these two. But Your Lordship, one more fact I'd like to apprise Your Lordship is that in this NOC also that has been issued by the ED and Housing, there it is the remark, Your Lordship, in the right side the remarks. There it is clearly says that there is no land, the land has not been allotted to any other person.
Your Lordship, without going into the merits, Your Lordship may
Yeah,
simply dispose this.
just fact.
Because we have also annexed some facts here, some documents regarding our stand, Your Lordship, in our affidavit. So without going into the merit, Your Lordship may simply.
But however, the district magistrate has issued the impugned eviction order without giving notice to the petitioner, and therefore has violated the provisions of law.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Provided under
Section 134 CRPC.
134
CRPC.
CRPC. Therefore, pray for setting aside washing of the seat. Impugned order. Mr. Riram, your senior government advocate?
No, Your
Oh, sorry.
junior. Your Lordship.
Okay, Nana government advocate clearly submitted that the impugned order was issued without giving notice to the petitioner, and without knowing, you said, what was it? Without knowing the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Means
the name of the petitioner was only known after issuing of the executive order under Section 133. Your Lordship. Earlier, 133 order was issued by the deputy commissioner, but at that time, the name of the petitioner were not known to the district.
Okay, so what is there in the name of the petitioner?
Pardon, Your Lordship.
So, name of the petitioner was not there
in 133 order, Your Lordship.
Okay,
But-
some is that fairly some is that earlier order under 133 was issued, wherein the name of the petitioner was not reflected. That is what that is your submission.
Yes,
Is
Your
that your
Lordship.
submission?
In the 133 order, Your Lordship, it's
Where
annexed
133 order is also annexed.
in yes, Your Lordship.
Where?
In, affidavit of 2, 3, and 4, Your Lordship.
Page
91, Your Lordship.
91.
Yes, Your Lordship. Annexure 2.
Page 91.
Yes, Annexure 2,
Yes.
Your Lordship. First line itself, Your Lordship. Whereas report has been received
Just a
from.
minute, there is no page 91. It's only up to 50 plus. Okay.
Yes.
In your affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship, in our affidavit. The very first line, Your Lordship.
91. Okay. Okay, Mr. Viram, while referring to the affidavit filed by the respondent, some is that earlier an executive order under 133 CRPC was passed, wherein
Whereas report has been received from the source that some unknown person has illegally encroached the structure at SIB Lane, Govind Nagar, Pasigar. Your Lordship. There is a-
where do we find that? Page 91?
Yes, Your Lordship.
On receipt of report, where?
Very first line, Your Lordship.
Okay, on receipt of the report from the sources that some unknown person has illegally encroached at SIB Lane, Govind Nagar, 2 miles area, Pasigar. And then,
Thereafter, 134 order was issued.
okay, and subsequently, the impugn
22 May
order dated
2024.
22/5/2024 was issued for a vacation notice, a
Yes, yes.
vacation notice was issued on 22 May 2025, 2024. Without, so otherwise this person
Yes, Your Lordship.
is legally occupied, the
No,
person.
Your Lordship, illegally occupying in, as far as our affidavit is concerned. Yes, sir. But I'm not into that, Your Lordship. I'm simply, my submission only is that, Your Lordship, this order itself is wrong in law.
Okay.
Because as per provision of 134,
Hmm.
there is proclamation of notice, Your Lordship,
Mhm.
as per section 134 of CRPC, Your Lordship.
Okay. Then.
Service or
there-
notification of order.
Subsequently, wrongly, the vacation notice under section 134 CRPC was issued on 22/5/2024, whereas this is regarding, you say, CRPC,
Service or notification of order, Your Lordship,
which
134.
which otherwise is regarding the service or
notification of order.
service or notification of order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Therefore, if you only submit that this was wrong, this notice was wrongly issued, wrongly or mistakenly.
Wrongly, Your Lordship. It's
Okay, wrong.
not tenable in law, Your
Therefore,
Lordship.
we praise that. He submits that the said notification may be set aside. Sorry, said vacation notice may be set aside.
Your Lordship, with a direction that
With the
through
direction.
proper legal procedure, they can
With the
start the eviction process.
the direction. With the direction to proceed with the case by following the due process of law. Start. Okay. In view of the above, and as agreed upon by both the Rana Council for the parties, this with petition will dispose of. So this. Okay. The impugn notice that is 25. Notice number J43 4303/2023 dash 24 dated 22/5/2024 is hereby set aside and passed. However, the authority is at liberty to proceed with. This is for eviction.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Eviction of the illegal occupation
Your Lordship,
by following the proper procedure of law. Okay. With the above this, with petition stand disposed.
Your Lordship, unfair, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray that before taking any action against me, my LPC may be considered first. Then only I can.
That cannot be.
It's not connected with LPC. So they did not follow the procedure while issuing this. That is why it's been set aside.
Yes.
And at the last part may also be last part, the liberty also not required.
That part may be
only
yes.
liberty part.
Following the procedure only
up to
that. That will be.
Only because it was issued improperly.
Yes,
So this set aside.
Yes,
Okay.
Obliged.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Okay. So the what? How many? So any urgency? 18 is. No one appears on behalf. 18, who is for 18?
I'm appearing from the behalf of Mr. M. Kato DSJ, but we are from the performer respondent, Your Lordship, na?
Okay, no one appears on behalf of the petitioner. You are Mr.
K. Terry.
Land Council for the Land Council appear on behalf of Mr. Matokato, Land DSTS. In absence of the petitioner, this matter stand adjourned. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay. Then next. Yes, what is this matter about?
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is regarding the matter regarding.
Affidavit not yet filed.
Affidavit, yes, your lordship. Since for many times they are seeking time after time.
We'll give last time. Who is for the respondent? You are appearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Earlier also, it was a fixed matter, your lordship. They have taken time that already drafting has been completed. They will file within 18th of this month, and matter was fixed for today. But till today also, they are not filing, your lordship, due to which petitioner is being hampered because petitioner is a grade 4 employee at Sainik School, Ruksin.
Okay.
And they're not getting salary due to not allowing him to join.
File by next week.
Yes, Your Lordship. We just respect the instructions, Your Lordship. Na?
You have
We have to, yes, we have to translate that. Yeah, we have to translate the Hindi into English, Your Lordship. Na?
Okay.
So, your lordship, I pray
Mr.
that on,
Mr.
it is being fixed on the 3rd of April, your lordship.
Mr. A. Land Council for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. Matokato, Land DSTI, submits that they have received Karawa's comment and prays for some more time to file an affidavit form. File the affidavit. So, prayer allowed. List is as prayed for. List is matter on
3rd of April, your lordship.
3rd April. Can you file?
And it will be your lordship last chance. They have taken many.
Okay. Then the respondent is given. The respondent is granted 10 more days to file affidavit as a last chance. So this is matter after 10 days. Okay.
Obvious.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, they have served a copy last night, and we have to seek instructions for that from Neris. Now, in fact, today was day for maintainability of the petition. So argue on that. So another 1 week or 2 may be given to us for the same order. That too, 1 copy. In fact, if copy is served to Standing Council, they are supposed to furnish 2 copies. So that also has not been done. Last night, yesterday, I think.
Ajinafa, senior advocate, assisted by
Criminal.
Submits that the petitioner has not served second copy.
A second copy
Of them. He has not received a second copy of the petition from the petitioner.
My lord, I think it's additional affidavit.
Additional,
Not the main copy. Yes,
Okay,
yes, my lord.
additional affidavit. Till date, sir. Mr.
A. Hussein.
Land Council for the petitioner. You furnish?
I'll
Furnish. Requisite copy of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. When? Within 2 days.
My lord, yesterday lordship, file lordship. Actually, I was supposed to file before 18.
Within a week.
Within a week.
Within a week. Stop. He is not ready with.
For maintainability argument.
yes, on our
Hearing on maintainability.
Not that. For filing and submitting additional affidavit. Extra.
Affidavit, extra copy also he is not ready.
Oh.
He will be able to serve copy only within a week,
After a week.
not 2 to 3 days.
We have no problem. We have no problem.
After vacation.
After vacation. Stop. Okay. Yes. G. Additional central government advocates representing respondent number 1, 2, 3 is also present, as paid for by the land council for the party. This is matter after the
My lord, the date can be given if possible.
date can be given,
Yes, ma'am.
then 21,
21 now.
21 April.
21 April.
Okay,
Let it be on 23.
23.
Because 21 it will be just.
Okay.
And repeat to us also because you have given.
Serve to the land council. You, both the parties, serve both the parties, okay? Extra copy to the respondents, huh?
There is a private respondent and petitioner also, I haven't seen them for since this morning.
Okay, no one appears on behalf of the petitioner on call, so. Case stand adjourned. This is matter after 2 weeks. Where is Ms. Swensa present on behalf of the state respondent?
Is that respondent?
Okay. Hmm?